Hello everyone, love and respect. This is Roxanne Grinage, higherlyrics.org, and Ezekiel and Arriyel's real mother, Lorraine Grinage. Hi Ezekiel and Arriyel, we love you so much. And as always, everything we do is about your rescue and the rescue of all court-ordered abused children and DHS horror stories here in Philadelphia. We want to rescue all children, and we are passionately committed to rescuing you as well by documenting the true and accurate, verifiable crime proofs of who actually caused you harm. This is your mother, Lorraine Grinage. She is going to top off our DHS Families Fight Back Demonic Horror Stories, where we're fighting CPS, corruption in government. A new civil rights movement is underway, sparked by the crimes committed against you and documented in U.S. Eastern District Court of Pennsylvania, dockets 209 CV 04119 MSG and 209 CV 05448 BMS and 210 CV 00179 MSG, where your mother, Lorraine Grinage versus the woman that's calling herself your mother, Saundra Sullivan, and allowing her son to beat on you, who has put you in school. We found out we have surveillance. We have people watching you. We're running ads that offer rewards for $25 for every piece of cell phone video capture of what they're doing to you. We know her son has hurt you. We know that your father has forced you to say that you don't want to talk to your mom. Those are injuries, Ezekiel and Arriyel. They're called parent alienation injuries. And this corrupt Judge Robert J. Matthews locked your mother up, terrorized your mother, and enforced the prolonged abuse by his friendships with U.S. Eastern District Court. This Judge Mitchell S. Goldberg was actually his friend and allowed him to use the U.S. Marshals to enforce a child abusing family court custody order that this particular judge, Honorable Mitchell S. Goldberg, had a choice, and he chose to protect his colleagues, Timothy E. Possenti, a commercial litigation attorney that victimized you in Philadelphia Family Court on August 17th when he sent your father's drug test results positive to a corrupt custody master, Fern Caplan, showing that your father has a drug and alcohol addiction problem that he refuses to do anything about. His violence became increasingly dangerous to you. They destroyed your mother's durable power of attorney signed in front of a notary in 2008, where she said she feared for her life and the lives of her children because of your father not being able to get clean and sober, threatening you guys with a shotgun, stealing the bill money. So Ezekiel and Arriyel, we don't tell you all of this because we want you to hate your father. We want you to know who's responsible for causing you harm and obstructing health care for your father and setting up the illegal adoption that is underway of Saundra Sullivan. They put you in school. Your mother has legal custody of you. They did not notify your mother. Your mother's not down as emergency contact, which means Saundra Sullivan and your father, Erick L. Brown, have committed another fraud crime, a felony. They've committed the crime of defrauding the Philadelphia School Board. She is not your lawful guardian. Your mother is your lawful guardian, Lorraine Grinage, and she actually has contact with a school somewhere where we have learned that you have been put in. She has not told your mother where you are. Erick L. Brown has kept you from your mother for 4 weeks now. He's in contempt of even Judge Matthews' order. Both of them are in contempt of the legal custody part of Judge Matthews' order, and have actually enrolled you in school without your mother being a contact information and being able to know where you are. Saundra Sullivan has no legal right to have any say in any of the matters that affect you. She is, in fact, your child abuser. We are reporting her to ChildLink. We believe they put in a fraudulent report. We're reporting Erick L. Brown and Saundra Sullivan to the ChildLink Registry Abuse Line here in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and we're reporting you to all these crimes, to the crimes of U.S. District Court. We're proving how U.S. District Court of Pennsylvania, Honorable Mitchell S. Goldberg and Honorable Burl M. Schiller acted decisively and prejudicially to protect their colleagues, Judge Robert J. Matthews and Anne Marie Ambrose, Timothy E. Possenti, and Fern Brown Caplan in a $6.2 million, 24 felony counts crimes, adding up with Timothy Possenti and Fern Brown Caplan's 13 felony crimes. We have 37 felony crimes where Judge Robert J. Matthews, Anne Marie Ambrose, Erick L. Brown, Saundra L. Sullivan, Timothy E. Possenti, and Fern Brown Caplan have literally injured you such that your careers have been stolen. Your ability to earn money and make a career contribution has been stolen. Our vested interest in caring for you, taking care of you, educating you has been injured, obstructed. Your education's been obstructed, and we're going to pursue it. Okay. All right, Lorraine. Don't say the area of town you're going to pull signatures. We have 96 signatures so far in our petition to remove Judge Robert J. Matthews, of people who have either been direct victims of him or family members here in the community, family victims of Judge Robert J. Matthews. Okay? So Lorraine is going to top it off, so we have 120 that aren't only going to go to the Judicial Discipline Board here in Harris, but they're going to the U.S. Department of Justice and Lorraine's taken to the streets, the ABA, American Bar Association ratings of Judge Matthews' conduct and judicial knowledge, judicial conduct where he breaks Canon 2B and all judicial decorum, and his ratings are 88% litigants rate Judge Matthew F as in failure, F, and D as in dog, minus. D
as in demon.
Demon. Demonic, DHS, demonic horror stories. We have 3 corrupt judges here in Philadelphia Family Court where the dockets don't lie. Through docket monitoring, we are proving that the Philadelphia Family Court judges are playing no more than a factory-like role to fast-track sale of our children and prolong the abuse to DHS contractors. Saundra Sullivan testified before Fern Brown Caplan on August 14th, quote, "I always wanted some foster kids because my mom got some." All right, this has been our plan all along. Timothy Possenti asked her, "Why didn't you get some foster kids?" She said when she applied, she couldn't qualify for them, so she's going to take her new boyfriend's foster kids, who we knew less than 30 days, and since then they've committed bigamy together. Erick L. Brown traveled to Georgia, lied about the date of his marriage, and lied about the fact that even the children existed. Those affidavits and records are all going to go.
And he also put in writing that your mother abandoned you, which never happened.
Never happened. He has been keeping you from your mother. Erick L. Brown will not let your mother talk to you. It's been 4 weeks now, going on 5 weeks. He was heard in the background telling Ezekiel, tell her you don't want to talk to her. You better tell her you don't want to talk to her. Committing parent alienation, injury, and trauma upon a baby.